Why wouldn't you go up there if your accommodation is just a stone's throw away from here? Well, we want to go up there, but the problem is there are elephants up there. You can't see that the elephant there, even we can't see. But we've been warned by the staff at the at Seven Malai that there are elephants and wild boars up there. So I really want to go, and even Adrian wants to go, but we will not take a chance because these are wild animals and you cannot outrun or you cannot fight with them. So what we are going to do now is we are going to walk this way. Not that this way is less riskier. There is a risk, but we'll just walk up there and show you the view around. So that down there, just like a few feet away, is Seven Malai, and look at the view that we have here. So this is 360 degrees of just mountains. I mean, there are tea plantations here and mountains and tall trees here. Why wouldn't you want to go for a trek? So what we're going to do now is walk till that side, and today is going to be like a kind of a rest day for us because we got here and freshened up. We're going to go to the market, get a bike tomorrow. We'll share all the details with you, and besides that we will also visit all the hotspots. But today I think we are going to be on chill mode, just soak in the atmosphere here, and let's see what we find out. This is the view that we have. All these are tea plantations. So let me just show you what this is. So I already showed you guys in the last video. These are all tea leaves. The small ones are used for green tea, the bigger ones they are dried, and that's how tea is prepared. So in the morning we saw some people here. They were working on these plantations. They were spraying some fertilizers, I guess. And right now it is sunny in Munnar. It was supposed to rain, yeah, not at all humid. It was supposed to rain, but luckily it didn't rain. So yeah, we are happy for that. And there are some more tea plantations. It's full of tea plantations. So what we'll do is we'll walk up until there and we'll come back. As you walk through these tea plantations, you can even get the aroma of tea. It when the sunlight hits the tea leaves and when there is some breeze blowing, I think that's when the leaves release its aroma. And we saw some dung here. I wonder what dung it is. We are afraid. I won't lie, I am a bit nervous to walk here, but I could not stop myself from coming to this place.
Huge risk.
Just look at that. Like, look at the trees there. There's even a river there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, not so much, but there's even a beautiful river there. So that's a huge risk that we have taken, and credit goes to Adrian for helping me find these places. Adrian, thumbs up to you. The views, I cannot tell you how awesome the views. I mean, obviously this video will not do justice, even though everything through shot through this camera is so clear, but you have to be here to feel it. The breeze, the mm, the fragrances that you get, the clean fresh air, and this view, I mean, it is just breathtaking. And that there is where we are staying. So we've come from that way.
Damn, this is just like a painting. Unimaginable.
You've watched Adrian in so many videos. I
Crazy.
don't think she ever
Crazy
talks too much,
face.
and she's never that excited. Only she's very excited when there's good food and when the view is like that. I mean, who wouldn't be excited? Okay, let's continue. I am walking with a lot of precaution and I really don't know what to expect, but yes, we are going higher and higher and higher. So yes, those are the tall trees that I was talking about.
Water passes by here down in this.
And if you see here, this path looks like a place from where water flows. And the reason why I kind of, understood that, maybe I'm wrong, but But look at this. If you see the formation of the mud here, and if you see right from there, if you look down on the ground here, you can find this hard surface. And yes, you see these things here. So this is definitely created when water flows from high up the mountain there. Look at this. You can see there's so much breeze blowing here, and now we've come a bit ahead. And what's this written here? Date of spraying, date of entry. So they maintain a log. Again, all these are tea plantations, and that side we showed you the view that was different. And let me show you the view this side. So we've walked a little bit and the scenery has changed completely. Now I'm curious to go that side. I really do not know. Let's go. Right way or wrong way, let's find out. But I really do not know if we are going to get ourselves in trouble. But till the time I feel it's safe, we'll just keep walking. Look at this. The only time I've seen such a view is when I was in Georgia, but I somehow feel that this view even beats the one that I saw in Georgia. It is incredible. The patterns of all the, on near the tea plantations. I wonder why they have created this pattern, but it looks so gorgeous. And our journey continues. So again, we've just walked a few feet ahead, like we've just come around this hill here, and look at that. Again, there's a different view. So my point is that you have to speak to the locals, and you have to talk to the people at the accommodation places. Usually the people who are from Kerala or who live around, they are the ones who work over there. So I met the gentleman who showed us the rooms earlier in the video. We introduced him. So he is the one who told us about this little trek. And since I used to go trekking, that was a long time ago, I love it. But it's been a while since I haven't. But who wants to miss a view like that? Anyway, I just wanted to create this short video and show you a glimpse of what we have experienced just on our first day. I mean, it's not even been like 2 hours since we checked in here, and we are already experiencing all this. Tomorrow we will wake up early, wake up fresh, we'll get a bike and we'll go out exploring. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.